Her name is Machli. Loved around the globe, she's drawn thousands of devoted fans to her birthplace, Ranthambhore-Nationalpark in India. It's full of water, shade, and plenty of prey. She once attacked a 14-foot crocodile twice her weight, wrestled a ferocious intruder threatening her cubs, and fought her own mother for the right to rule the best territory in the forest. Now, one of Machli's daughters from her fourth and final litter makes a shocking move. She marks her mother's territory, announcing intent to claim it as her own. And it's done. Machli's 11-year rule ends in an instant. Exiled, she now has to find a way to survive, outside of the only territory she's known for more than a decade. At 14, she's still quite the huntress. It will be a nourishing meal for Machli, if she can hold on to it. A male in his prime shows up. It's Chiroli, her son from her third litter. There's plenty of meat to go around, but this guy wants it all to himself, even if it means fighting his own mother. The world's most famous tiger, Machli.